Well, this is my office. This is pretty much where I do all my stuff.
What are you gonna do today?
Well, it's Thursday, so I usually just make video updates or something.
Oh, that's cool. Where are you gonna film today?
I don't know.
You could go to the park.
It's pretty wet outside.
You could go to the art gallery. You love art.
I don't know. All the good art's already been made.
Is everything alright?
I'm not good.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I got the rainy day blues.
Dude, how bad?
Real bad.
Well, how long is it supposed to rain?
All day long. I don't feel so good.
Oh, no. You do have the rainy day blues. I'm gonna call Mom.
Wait, don't. I'll be fine. I'll be okay.
Mom, it's Evan.
Oh, hello, my sweet baby boy.
Luke has the rainy day blues.
Oh, no, not the rainy day blues.
Mom, what do I do?
Son, you know what to do. Only you can save him now.
You're right. I got it. Come on, Luke, we gotta get you out of here. Come on.
I'm fine.
No, come on, Luke. There's only one thing that can fix the rainy day blues. Come on.
Need some sunshine.
We're almost there, Luke. Come on, almost there. Come on, it's a couple more minutes. Come on, man.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. How can we help you today?
Just original chicken sandwich. Oh.
Hey, we got a case of the rainy day blues. Can I just have original Chick-fil-A sandwich, please?
Sorry, say it again, please.
Just an original Chick-fil-A sandwich, please.
Okay. Hold on one moment. I'm sorry, what did you say?
Just an original Chick-fil-A sandwich, please.
All right, do you need any sauce with that or anything?
No, thank you.
Anything else for you?
No, that'll be all.
All right. 360 may pull forward.
All right, thank you. Dude, come on, you gotta eat it. Luke, you gotta eat it. It's the only thing that'll help. Come on.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit.
You're right. It's good.
I
feel a lot better now.
They keep falling.
Well, now what do we do?
So
Now, there's a few things coming up in the life of Reading City Church.
And I said I didn't.
Do you long to develop joyful, life-giving relationships with your children? Bring them along for a fun, engaging evening with psychologist Dr. Carmen Morrison on Thursday, May 24th at 6:30 at St. James Parish. Learn hands-on how you can build your child's emotional stability at any age and enjoy meaningful relationships as a family. You can sign up at St. James in the welcome area. On Saturday, June 9th, there is a prayer training for ministry team leaders or anyone who is interested in praying for others. This is from 9 a.m. to noon at St. James Parish in the sanctuary. Breakfast foods will be provided. The Friday Night Kids program is now beginning pre-registration for students in K through 5th grade. Parents can register in the kids' room at St. James.